I'm not stubborn.
It's like no one's striving to be better. You tell me how you feel about the frozen food.
I hate it.
Made yesterday? It was actually made 3 weeks ago.
The salad.
That was quick.
Not bad.
Thank you, my darling.
Enjoy.
Thank you. Jesus.
What is?
Natural with white cheddar.
Oh, this is award-winning.
Yeah.
Great.
And why is the fillet butterflied like that and cut like that?
He cuts it off and then pounds it thin.
He beats the crap out of a fillet to tenderize it when it's the most stunning cut. Wow.
You're still yawning.
Doesn't look too appetizing.
It doesn't look appetizing at all, no.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! Did you catch that one? Does that sound familiar? Kitchen Nightmares uses the same sound effect of some kid butchering the recorder as the pigeon documentary I talked about in my Thesaurus video. Is there some, like,